Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving from Barbican to Manor Park. We are currently on Barbican Road heading towards the Arcadia intersection. As you can see, Barbican Road was recently renovated under the Major Infrastructure Development Program. It's a very nice road, 4 lanes, dual carriageway. Here at the stoplight is 5 lanes because they've put in a turning lane here at the light. And it has really helped with the upgrade has really helped with the flow of traffic on Barbican Road. And Barbican is one of the busiest places in Kingston, and so is Manor Park. So the route we're taking is a very popular route. Now if we went straight, we would stay on Barbican Road and go towards Grand Spend, the community of Grand Spend. But we turn right and we are now on Arcadia Drive, driving through Arcadia, heading towards Manor Park. Now, Arcadia is a residential community. As you can see, there are homes on the left and the right. As you can see, this road was not renovated under the program because this road could do with some fixing up. But the government is focusing on the main roads first, and then after that they'll focus on these residential roads. As you can see, a lot of homes. It's a large area. I'm going to turn left here now at this intersection. If we continued straight, we stay in Arcadia and eventually go into the Earl's Court neighborhood. But we're heading towards Shortwood Road now. And then Shortwood Road will take us, we're going to turn right onto Shortwood Road, and that takes us onto Olivier Road. And Olivier Road takes us into Manor Park, where Olivier Road will intersect Constant Spring Road, and that's the Manor Park area. So that's Shortwood Road straight ahead. Turn left, you take Shortwood Road down to the Grand Spend community, but we're going to turn right and head towards Olivier Road. This is a very busy intersection, and during I guess right through the day it's busy, but it's extremely busy in the mornings and in the evenings with the rush hour traffic. I wonder who that was. That's one of the government officials. You saw the police escorting them. Alright, so this is Shortwood Road now. We're going to turn right. Yes, as I was saying, this intersection should really have a stoplight because it's a very busy intersection. Alright, so we just turned on to Shortwood Road now. So coming up on the right, we're going to pass the Shortwood Stella Maris Church. And Stella Maris is probably, that's the church, that's the Stella Maris facility on the right. It's a church, it's a school, and it's a convent. All 3 properties are interconnected, they're beside each other. So that's a church now where you see the wall with the metal Alright, if we turn right here now, we'd go into the Ilsham area. Turn right here, we stay on Shortwood Road and go into the Shortwood community. But we're just turned left and we are now on Olivier Road. To the right is a Shortwood Teachers College. On the left is an empty lot. It used to be a school. It was purchased I think by a bank to do residential, to build apartments, townhouses, but that project hasn't seemed to work out. Because not the land is as is, no construction has started on it, but it's a very large piece of property. Alright, at this intersection now turn left where that blue car is and you go into the Allardyce area. Alright, coming up on the right now is the Emmanuel Christian Academy. It's a school and also a church. Most of the schools in Jamaica were started by churches or they are associated with a church. Actually, most of the schools are run by the church. They are owned by the church and operated by the church. Alright, coming up at this intersection now, turn right, you go onto Norbrook Road, and that takes you through the Norbrook neighborhood. On the left is the back gate to the Immaculate Conception High School, and that school is also operated by the Roman Catholic Church. So on the left now is the Constant Spring Golf Club. Alright, we're now in the Manor Park area and straight ahead is Constant Spring Road. Now if we turn right, we take Constant Spring Road towards the Manor Park Plaza. Turn left, we take Constant Spring Road and head towards the tax office. Also, if you turn right, Constant Spring Road will take you up to Stony Hill Road. Turn left, Constant Spring Road goes all the way down to Halfway Tree. And Constant Spring Road was also renovated under the Major Infrastructure Development Program. And on the right is Discount Center, which is a very popular pharmacy in the Kingston area. Straight ahead is Manor Center. So we're now on Constant Spring Road, and you can see it looks just like Barbican Road with the same renovations or the same upgrade. So that's Discount Center on the right. That building on the left is the Powell building. It's named after Colin Powell, the former General and Secretary of State in the US. Alright guys, so this is the Manor Park area. Thanks for taking a tour with us. Leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Also, if you have any information to add. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Have a good day.